Okay, today we're going to do a general service on a Stihl RM545T. We're going to replace the air filter. We're going to replace the plug. We're going to sharpen the blade. We're going to drain the oil. So first of all, you need to get the plug cover off. You need a 16mm deep socket. Take the plug out, remove the plug, and replace it with a new one. The new part number you will need is NGK. That's your part number for the plug. Then replace this plug. Careful when you put this in that you get it started with the threads. Don't cross thread it or you'll be in a world of trouble. Now we come to the air filter. The part number of the air filter is 593260 for a Briggs & Stratton engine. The one I'm putting on is not a genuine Briggs & Stratton filter, but it's a lot cheaper and it does the job. Now we're going to tip the machine on its side to take the blade off, but make sure the carburetor is at the highest point, because if the oil goes in to the carburetor you'll have trouble starting. Machine now on its side, carburetor's highest point, 70mm volt. This bolt needs to come off to get the blade off. Well, the blade's now off. As you can see, it's really blunt and rounded, so these will be sharpened. This will be put in the vise now, 45-degree angle across there on the other side, and sharpen it up. The blade is now sharp, as you can see. When put it back in the machine, these are your lifters here. Make sure the lifters facing the underneath of the machine, otherwise you won't throw no grass into the box. Okay, blade's back on. Get the machine the right way up now. We're going to start up and drain the oil. First thing we need to do is check the oil before we start it. Yep, plenty of oil in there. Now we need to lift the dead man up and put some string around it to hold it while I start it. Dead man's held up. Let's see if she can start. Okay, the machine has been running now for a good 10 minutes to get the oil nice and warm and easy to drain. Now we'll drain and replace the oil. Okay, I have a vacuum pump, I do, so I use a vacuum pump to drain the oil. Right, I'll take a little while to drain now, and that's drained then we'll refill it. Okay, here's your dipstick. Those two marks there. The highest mark is where the oil needs to be. So fill the oil to the right level. Okay, as you can see, that was good. Wipe it. Yeah, spot on. Start the machine now. It'll run for a few minutes and recheck. Okay, the machine will be running now for a while. We'll try it again. As you can see, that's perfect.